Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Filtering allows you to display only the information you want while hiding the rest of the data. Let's begin step by step. First, open your Excel worksheet that contains data. Make sure your data is organized in columns with headings such as name, department, salary, or date. Now select the entire table or simply click anywhere inside the data. Next, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. Click on the Filter button. You will now notice small drop-down arrows appear next to each column header. To filter data, click the drop-down arrow on the column you want to filter. For example, if you want to filter by department, click the arrow in the Department column. A list of all department names will appear. You can uncheck Select All, then select only the department you want to view. Click OK. Excel will now display only the rows that match your selected department. All other rows will remain hidden. To remove the filter and show all data again, click the filter icon and select Clear Filter. And that's how you filter data in Excel.